and the support of an entire community. The boys
Award to the pre-P1 and P2 awardees.
Congratulations, Danica!
Development Alex E. Mata Jr.
Congratulations, Danica! John, very good!
Cricket Development
Wofo!
Advanced
Maapi ka, Didi.
Development Hedosi Bala.
Maggie!
Advanced Executive Development Gerald P. Rayunike.
Ato bang Didi? Bro, ato bang Didi? Pugi ni bro ah!
Advanced Social Emotional Development Micaela Y. Duluga.
Ay, sakit na! Ah, sige, sige na. Tindin to oh. Kala mo dyan ah. Okay. Yan, congratulations. Yan, ba't nga?
Administrative Development Ronald B. De la Cruz Jr. Local Development
Ato bang Didi?
Luis Veganes.
Okay na. Dito ko na. Kunin mo Choco yung blue. Blue kunin mo. Okay. Dali mo ka daddy. Dali mo ka daddy.
Advanced Executive Development
Okay.
Carlos G. Rayunike.
Put ka man to. Ato bang Didi Chokoy? Yeah, very good. Oh, congratulations Jesseline. Okay, go. I love it.
Advanced Executive Development Daylan Lali Balag.
Dilan.
Advanced in Social Emotional Development Calvin Y. Duluga.
Para ato bang Didi Dilan? Dito tingin Dilan. Yan. Ayan. Settings this one.
Award, Lord Weaver Award, Young Dancer Award, and Determined Kid Award, Horizon C.
Smile.
Handwriting Award, Lord Weaver Award, Young Dancer Award, and Great Weaver Award.
Congratulations, Dadan. Dadan ribbon. Dadan ribbon ha.
And Determined Kid Award was given to Neat Handwriting Award, Young Dancer Award, and Determined Kid Award is given to Mary Ann E. Latina. Neat Handwriting Award, Star
Best Parent Award. Hala!
Another Miss Scarlet Award, Alvaro Estrada.
Ay, congratulations, Mama Ding!
Otto Johnson for kindergarten. Thank you very much and congratulations.
Malilim na. So ngayon kasakulukuyan na nakakapagbigay na ng mga awards sa mga bataan. Ngayon sa grade 6 na lang. So dyan yung mga Department of Education head, ang ating mga opisyalis, si Nazar, ang PTA President, tsaka si Ma'am Emily Laison, head teacher. Ano na? Shoutout Maribig si Melissa, oh.
Jackie Award.
Alam,
With honor, Darrell Incoming B.
baliktad, madam!
Eager Beaver
Ah,
Award.
okay.
Happy Helper Award. Batang Maasahan Award.
Nagkasandal si madam mo, oh. Smile!
With honors, Loreto Bradford.
Baliktad man! O, yarap to!
With honors, Kasumbal Bella.
Congratulations!
Special Award. Eager Beaver Award.
Kasi natin ang mami.
Award.
Busy photographer siya for today's video, guys.
Award. Little Teacher Award.
Congratulations!
Tupiera. The award is given to Bino Y. Barcancel. Happy Helper Award. Honest. Pagsawa Irene T. Very special award, Past Champ Award, Igor B. With honors, Veterana
Now, pang grade 2 ka mo, didi, ikaw na sito tatawagon niya pa. O, Jessalyn ito si, ano,
Brainstorm Award,
si Marian.
Sigasi Award, Collaborative Kid Award, National Award, Honest Kid
Sana?
Award, Spartan Kid Award,
Nandam yung award.
Leader Teacher Award, and Determined Kid Award.
Si Marian, o, jibal-jibal, andito na. Congratulations, Marian. Congratulations,
Happy
jibal-jibal.
Helper Award, Determined Kid Award, Green Fever Award, Batang Maasahan Award, Eager Fever Award, Academic Achiever.
Inong, congratulations, Inong. Is ba hindi? Yan. Okay.
Academic Achiever, Giro de Tirala.
Over mo na. O sige, ito Jessalyn, yan na na-award na siya.
Award, Determined Kid
Huwag mo
Award.
tatanggalin muna. Wafa. Smile.
Social Award,
Hello, Jean. Yan. Proud mother. Proud mama. Congratulations, Roan. Max. Ako. Congratulations, Venus.
Nalian Flores, Social Award, Eager Beaver Award, Mr. Award, and the National Swan Award. And the Happy
Batang bulilit. Congratulations!
Level Special Awareness, and the names will be called in alphabetical order. Bala Jaira C. She will receive Alice Lead Award, Sparkler Award, Little Teacher Award, Internet Lead Award, and
Nunoy!
Bala Jillian Award, Presley Neighbor Award, Peacekeeper Award, Extra Minor
Congratulations,
Award,
madam.
Alice Lead Award, Golden
Yan yung
Award,
congratulations.
and
Congratulations to Jinky Bismonte. Keep on watching. As Jillian daming award.
Awards for academic excellence. She will receive the following award, Extra Minor Award, Nation and Fee. She will receive the following awards, President Neighbor Award, and Bata Maasa Award. Alexa Margo R. She will receive the following award. She will receive the following awards. Leader Beaver Award, Follower Flores Eliza Award, President Neighbor Award, Alice Speed Award, and Award. Higher. Jewelry Award, Reach Honors for Academic Excellence. And that's all for the grade 3 level. Good job and congratulations.
Service awardee, and conduct awardee. That's in English. Service awardee, conduct awardee. With honors, Jairo S. Rosalino, and Boy Scout of the Year. Janela, conduct awardee, academic excellence awardee, and academic service and conduct awards is given to and thank you.
Grade 3. She will also receive the Service Award and Collaborative Award.
Baliktad.
With honors,
madam.
Boy Scout of the Year and Performing Artist Award.
Sir Rex.
L. A recipient of Makatao Award. Rinalda Abel R. Makatao Awardee. Rinalda J.M. B. Makabansa Awardee. And performing Mario III B. With honors of the year. Makabansa Awardee. Out Performing Artist Awardee.
Congratulations, 30. Congratulations.
Mata Arnold S.
Oh, madam yan.
With honors. Performing Artist Awardee. Service Awardee. Performing Artist Awardee.
Congratulations, Jaira. Congratulations, Bibili. Ayan na si Jaira.
Recipient of Makakalikasan Service Awardee. Award. Henyo Performing with Awardee. With
Congratulations.
Congratulations to all the graduates, school leaders, honored pupils, and awardees of Bani Elementary School. May you carry with you not only intelligence but also strong morals and values as you strive to become holistically developed. Let this recognition of your commendable performance continue in the years to come, so you may serve as role models for others. Let's give her a warm round of applause, please.
So gabi na guys, so magsasalita si Princess.
It has been 6 long years when I started to take the first initial steps towards the fulfillment of my dreams. Today marks a very important chapter in our lives, my dear classmates, and that is the completion of our foundation years in the school. Moreover, I reminisce the challenges that stood before us, from which we triumphed every hardship, struggle, and perseverance. Of course, this would not be possible without the undying guidance, support, and devotion of our parents. Our achievements today and to the coming years are testaments as members of the LGU, Papa and Mama, ladies and gentlemen, ang pag-asa ng ating bayan. It is indeed true. Henerasyon ng pagkakaisa, kaagapay sa bagong Pilipinas. A pretty simple statement if you try to think about it. Goal of our nation ever since. Yet, there's increasing number of children who are exposed to early employment, exploitation, and unsafe working conditions due to lack of education. To combat these problems, the biggest responsibility is with us. Next. And no matter how hard you try to guide us, nothing will happen. Henceforth, we must continue listening and following their pieces of advice, for they are always for our well-being. If we do this, I am definitely certain that we will become strong and stable individuals our country needs. Of our labors, and I know we are not the best.
Chukoy. Oh, madam, tapos na sila ma-awardan. Ito na, hanap ko na. Oh, ito na. Ayan. Tapos na sila. So, mamaya na. May mga event-event pa.
Vincent.
Umaga pa lang naman. Oh, yan. Lazar.
Mata Arnold S.
Congratulations, madam.
Balag Lara. Katan Laika N. Garo Aryan May B. Ako Pesame L. Rubiano Zion.
Congratulations, princess, once again.
Once again. Okay, Republika ng Pilipinas, Republic of the Philippines sa Kawalan ng Edukasyon, Curriculum ng Kindergarten na itinakda ng 2025. Signed, Emily Olaison, the teacher, Gaudencio C. Alibi Jr., PhD, Equals,
Congratulations, graduate.
Education Superintendent. Kindergarten completers for school year 2024 and 2025. Attention, Daniel B.
Sino? Eh, hindi ko nakunan. Ha?
Bermudo Chumiel Matthew S. Loreto Paulo For grade children, recognize grade children for the year 2000. Balag Chad JCC. Brace yourselves and be prepared for more. Give yourselves a big hand for a job well done.
Nagkakaon. Gutom na, Chokoy. Gutom na, Chokoy. Gutom na, Chokoy.
Elementary school, I pledge to uphold the values and principles that have shaped my journey. I promise to honor the knowledge I have gained, the challenges I have overcome, and the friendship I have built. With gratitude for my education, I commit to applying what I have learned to serve others, to foster growth. I will carry forward the legacy of integrity and excellence that this institution has instilled in me. I pledge loyalty to the community that has supported my growth.
My growth. Ay, natapos na din.
In every memorable moments of one's life,
Thank you for watching guys per part 1 ng graduation day.
thank you computers.
Ang
for
part 2
the
nito guys ay ang sayawan na.
Memories made in the world. I was standing at the edge of a brand new day. We laugh, we cry. Here's to the moments that shapes who we are. The words in our hands, a new beginning. It's time to stand. Write our story, make it shine. Our past untold. The courage to be brave. And the strength so tall. No matter where life leads, we'll give it our all. Our future's waiting just for me and you. Let's bring it out, let's see it through. Ready, the world's in our hands, a new beginning. It's time to stand, write our story. This time we'll rise and fly. Chase every star. More than ready, the world's in our hands. It's time together for us.
Mamaya na tayo uwi.
Mamaya na daw kami uwi. Hi, Mami. I love you.
Munoy ka, mami.
Congrats sa mga anak natin.
Munoy ka.
Shoutout nga pala kala Mama, tsaka kala Kuya Jeff,
Ano ko?
Kuya Kanoy, Madam Mitch.
Ganito na
Happy
ganito ko.
graduation.
Yan.
Ganito ko.
Kaya na dalawa, hindi pa tapos madam. Diretso sayawan ba to?
Sayaw, oo. Sayaw sila Perday.
Ngayon?
Tapos bigis mo kayo mga yan. Ano, naman sa kanya.
Okay.
Ayaw nga na ako mabalik.